Our DP course is in progress, and we change our focus to the human-machine interface. On that section of our course, we are going to discuss the operator panel, screen arrangement, main modes of the system, and we are going to find out how to change heading and positioning using the auto pause, and few words we will spend for the menu of the system. Let's go. So here we are, and as you see, we are starting from a block diagram which describes the whole zones of our Kongsberg KPOS 7 interface. Three lines from the upside of the interface are known as title bar, menu bar, message line. Performance area is presented with the next zones: status, power, heading and rate of turn, heading deviation, joystick indication in joystick mode, position deviation in auto position. The area responsible for position and coordinates for the actual vessel position is available at the right up corner. There is a speed indicating area. Force plotter shows us the force produced in three main axes for our DP vessel as source, sway and yaw. Preferred wind sensor is indicated at the bottom side of the force plotter. The biggest part of the interface is the working area. We have two equal working areas from right and left side of the screen. The right area may be selected by the operator from the panel. Status line and status bar, two more zones at the bottom of the interface. Let's have the detailed photo of the interface and talk a little bit about details which are connected with each separate zone. The title bar identifies the KPOS DP operator station and shows the current date and time. The menu bar provides command menus, allowing access to the available dialog boxes. The message line shows the most recent emergency alarm or warning, a message that has not yet been acknowledged. After acknowledge, we will have our alarms in alarm list. The performance area shows important performance information to allow immediate assessment of the situation. The content of this view changes automatically according to the selected main mode. Several parts of the performance area are click sensitive. The working areas shows operator selectable display views. The status bar provides general system status information by means of indicators, some of which are click sensitive. The status line displays general help messages and advice for the operator. We continue to overview the interface, and right now I want to pay your attention to the last but not least informative panels which are presented at the bottom side of the interface. I am talking about status line and status bar. Status line, as you remember, gives us additional advices and recommendations about selected menu by the cursor, and now I want to describe the elements of the status line. So let's go. If you see, a main mode present us the actual and selected operational mode. Position mode, the automatic position control mode, may be indicated as present or new set point. It means we are staying in position, or if new set point indicated here, we are moving to the next set point. In heading mode, the automatic heading control mode may be as present, system selected, or new set point. Present means we are keeping some heading. System selected means the system try to find out the best heading with the minimum power to use for station keeping. And new set point means the vessel is in progress to reach the new heading parameter. In allocation group, we may see the presence thruster allocation mode. Allocation mode means the automatical pre-programmed scenario for use azimuth thrusters and rudders. Rotation center shows the present rotation center. In example, we have midship. Remember, you may change it for few main variants: bow, aft, midship, and some systems as Kongsberg may let you to adjust the rotation center outside of the vessel. Thruster, an indication of the status of the thrusters. If here we have gray color, no thrusters are enabled. If green color, at least one thruster is enabled. Reference system, an indication of the status of the position reference systems. If gray color, no position reference systems are enabled. If yellow, at least one position reference system is enabled, but there is no acceptable position information. And green color says you that at least one position reference system is enabled, and the position information from at least one of them is accepted. Sensors. This is one of the click-sensitive areas, and if you press the left trackball button while the cursor has the shape of an open hand, the sensor dialog box is opened, and this window also says you that at least one sensor enabled. Information about joystick setup. Symbols describing the present joystick settings and joystick thrust level, full or reduced, is shown here, and joystick precision level, high speed, general or low speed. Pay attention please. When the vessel stays in auto position, in this area, symbols concerning to automatic control are grouped above this label. Axis control and axis damping control. These are graphic indicator of the axes that are under automatic control or damping control. For example, right now we see that in front of the operator we have the bow of the vessel, and arc shows you that yaw is taken under automatic DP control, and the cross shows you that axis surge and sway are in auto DP control. Gain shows the present controller gain level. There are different symbols for the available combinations of controller mode and gain level. Quick model shows whether the quick model update functions is on, that means yellow, or off when the area is in gray. The figure 2 shows you that the DP consequences analysis is activated and on and runs on scenario class 2. So this area where the figure is presented shows the currently selected DP class for the DP online consequences analysis function. If indication in gray, it means the function off. If indication 2 means scenario class 2. In force, if indication shows you digit 3, online consequences analysis is indicated for class 3 scenario. Please remember, for DP vessel class 2 and 3, this is a must-have function, and the vessel, when works under DP charter class 2 or 3, must use this function without exception.